ఇక ఈనాటి ఎపిసోడ్ విషయానికి వస్తే డాక్టర్ శ్రీనివాసాచారి సీనియర్ ఇంటర్ ఫిజిక్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్ను బోధించబోతున్నారు. ఫిజిక్స్ బోధనలో అపార అనుభవం ఉన్న డాక్టర్ శ్రీనివాసాచారిచే అత్యంత కీలకమైన మెకానిక్స్ చాప్టర్పై ఇవాళ క్లాస్ కొనసాగుతుంది. గత ఎపిసోడ్లో మెకానిక్స్ టాపిక్కు సంబంధించి సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్లోని హాలోకోన్ మరియు యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఆఫ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. ఈనాటి ఎపిసోడ్లో సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ సబ్జెక్టుకు సంబంధించి డిస్కషన్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ అండ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ గురించి అధ్యయనం చేద్దాం. పరీక్షలో చాలా రెగ్యులర్గా అడిగే ఈ సబ్జెక్టుకు సంబంధించిన లోతు పాతులేంటో డాక్టర్ శ్రీనివాసాచారి క్లాస్లో తెలుసుకుందాం.
Today we are considering continuation of center of mass motion. The theory we have considered yesterday. Now we are going to consider the problems and applications of motion of center of mass. First application we will consider the case of bullet fired from a gun. Bullet fired from a gun. In this case, how to analyze the motion of the bullet, motion of the gun based on center of mass of the system of particles here. Now, let m be the mass of the bullet, capital M be the mass of the gun, capital M be the mass of the gun. Now, assume that initially the gun with bullet is at rest. Then bullet is fired. Let u be the velocity with which bullet is fired. Bullet is fired. When the bullet leaves the gun, what happens to the gun? First of all, firing of a bullet from a gun is due to chemical reaction taking place inside the gun, which happens to be the internal process. There is no external agent involved once the bullet is fired, so therefore net external force in the horizontal direction is zero. Therefore, momentum of the system of bullet and gun is to be conserved. So initial momentum of the bullet as well as the gun is zero. Why? Both of them are at rest initially. When the bullet is fired with a velocity u, the linear momentum of the bullet fired at the time of firing is mu. Now, similarly, the momentum of the gun is mv. Linear momentum of the gun is mv. This is final linear momentum. Total linear momentum finally must be equal to 0 because initial linear momentum is 0, linear momentum is conserved. Why linear momentum is conserved in this case? Firing of a bullet from a gun is an internal process involving no external forces. Therefore, linear momentum is conserved. So, mu plus mv is 0. That implies v is equal to minus of mu by m. It indicates the velocity of the gun is minus of mu by m. Velocity of the gun is opposite to that of u. When the bullet is fired in a particular direction, gun is going to move in the opposite direction. This is what we call it as recoil velocity of the gun. Recoil velocity of the gun. Gun is recoil. Why? Gun is moving backward with a velocity. Based on the mass of the bullet and gun, the velocity of the gun compared with the velocity of the bullet. Since mass of the gun usually very small, very large when compared to mass of the bullet. Bullet mass is very small, few grams, and the mass of the gun is few kilograms. Therefore, since m is very much greater than m, v is almost very small when compared to u. So magnitude of velocity of the gun, recoil velocity of the gun is very small. Though bullet moves with a speed, high speed around 200 or 300 meters per second, gun will be recoiling with maybe few meters per second, maybe few 5 or 10 meters per second. Such a low speed. The speed of the recoil gun we will obtain based on conservation of linear momentum. Conservation of linear momentum is valid because there is no net external force acting on the system. So this. Now in this process, initially kinetic energy of the system is 0. But now both bullet and gun are moving. So there is final kinetic energy. How much is the kinetic energy of the bullet after firing? Half m u square is the kinetic energy of the bullet immediately after firing, plus half capital M v square is the kinetic energy of the system. Immediately after firing the bullet, kinetic energy of the system is becoming like this. But kinetic energy was 0, that is kinetic energy of the system initially, before firing. Before firing, kinetic energy of the system was 0. Kinetic energy system after firing is becoming like this, indicating that there is an increase in the kinetic energy of the system. From where does this come? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It has to be converted from one form to the other form. How is that the system of bullet and gun gain the kinetic energy? Here we account for the gain in kinetic energy of the bullet gun system is loss in the chemical energy in firing the bullet. Therefore, this is equivalent to loss in chemical energy of the exploding chemical energy in firing the gun. That is how we will account for energy which is appearing as kinetic energy in this process as the loss in chemical energy in firing the gun. So this is about the bullet fired from a gun. Next example we consider where the conservation principle, conservation of linear momentum is valid. Second one is a ball dropped freely from a certain height above the ground. Okay, a ground is there or a surface, and from a certain height a ball of mass m is released. Then what happens? When we consider the ball as the only reference or only system, only ball when we consider, ball is falling vertically down, its momentum is increasing, velocity is increasing, therefore linear momentum is increasing. Linear momentum of the ball is not conserved. Momentum is increasing. Thereby, according to Newton's second law, as the momentum is increasing, there must be a force experienced by the ball. Here, earth is pulling the ball towards it. Earth is now exerting a force on this. Earth is an external agent for the ball alone when we consider as a system. Therefore, linear momentum of the ball is increasing. But when we consider the ball and earth as a system, ball-earth system, when we consider, the gravitational pull by the earth on the ball is going to become internal force. As the ball is going to experience pull towards the earth, earth also will be experiencing force towards the ball. Therefore, this is action-reaction force that happens to be internal force. Therefore, for the ball-earth system, linear momentum of the system of ball and earth should be conserved. When the ball is moving towards it, as the distance is decreasing, earth will be moving upward. if u is the speed of the ball at any instant, then earth will also will have a speed v, velocity upwards. Then comparison of that is m, initial momentum is 0, mu plus mv is equal to 0. mv, this is final momentum. After some time when we find velocity of the ball has happened to be u, velocity of the earth be v, and the linear momentum acquired by them is total linear momentum of ball and gun system is mu plus mv, and initially it is 0, therefore 0 is mu plus mv. From this what we conclude is minus mu by m. So earth will be, as the ball moves down, earth will be moving up. Earth will be moving up with a velocity v.